Right, okay, what is happening, guys? We're back again for another video. So I'm mixing it completely up today. I'm testing out the new Meta Ray-Ban glasses. We're going to go get a grab right now down into Tan Binh Market in Ho Chi Minh City. We're going to get some food, go to the market, check the place out. We're going to film the whole thing directly on these glasses. I have not used them yet. I have no idea how they properly work. I'm not sure the video is going to come out any good or not. I have no idea. I have no idea about the sound or anything at all. So it's quite an adventure here in Ho Chi Minh City. Traffic's wild, things are wild, everything's different here. So I thought let's test it all out, try the glasses, and let's go for a little walk around the city and check around the city. So enjoy, let's get this grab booked. So you should be able to see all this straight through here. So I've got the grab ready to go. Let's book the grab. Driver will take any second now. It will not take long for the driver to get this. It's all gonna be done in POV, which I think is so cool. So let's get everything sorted. It'll only take a second for them to take it, I'm sure. Let's get the phone case, the glasses case, there we go. He's literally already outside. So let's head down there now and get started. Let's go. Right. Let's go. So this is the hotel that I'm staying at. Again, we're all POV in, this is pretty cool. I've not tried these glasses out. I think it's a really cool idea. I'm excited to see how it all comes out. So we're gonna head down now, jump on the grab and get out of here. Will be quite the experience. This is where we're staying. Press that button, press that button. And you guys can also see Ho Chi Minh City from this angle as well. Very cool. I think this is so awesome. You can actually see everything I'm doing through POV. I think it's actually so cool. Right, okay, I'm going to turn this back off. Let's go. Xin chào. Thank you. Oh. Right, there we go. The traffic in this city is absolutely wild. Right, okay, that is me off the bike and we are outside Ho Chi Minh Market. I'll go in the other entrance. I think this is like the food side, so we'll head down the other side of the market and go have a little look through, see what we can find. I could do the new little bag, I could do a few little bits, so we'll go have a little look around and see what's around. I don't know how good you're going to be able to actually hear what I'm saying with the glasses on, but we'll find out. Okay. Oop. I think I'm still at the wrong end of the market. So let's walk through and have a little look. Okay. This place looks dead. Okay, this used to be, I've definitely been here before, and it's definitely a better market before. So this used to be a popping market. It's obviously a lot more derelict now. Okay. Well, that wasn't amazing. There really is not very much in this market. So we need to try and work out where we're going to go next. Okay, so that was really unsuccessful. So we're going to go for a walk down now. I know that there's a really nice pho noodle shop down here, so I'm going to go get some pho and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here we are. This is the pho shop across the road here. Really, really, really good pho. So I'm going to go here, get some noodle soup. Hopefully we don't die crossing the road. And then we'll go for a little walk afterwards and explore. Ciao. So this is the menu. I think I already know what I'm going to get. So we've got our banh mi bread already. Amazing. Bean sprouts, some limes, some chilies, and some vegetables as well. There we go. Here is our noodle soup. Here we've got some tongs and a spoon. Get some bean sprouts in there. And let them boil up for a minute. Some lime in there. Amazing. Okay, well, that was absolutely amazing, I will say. It's a little bit hot sat out here, but other than that, it was really, really, really good. So we'll get out of here, go for a little walk, try and find some other market or other bits to get some bits from, and then we'll carry on exploring the city a little bit more. Well, that was absolutely amazing. Okay, so we found another market here. It says it's 1.8 kilometre away, 16-minute walk, quite far. But I'm probably going to book a grab because my ankle is pretty bad, so it makes more sense just to quickly book a grab and head there. So we'll get that booked now, and then we'll get on our way to the next spot. Let's go. Yes, yeah. Right, there we go. We're on for the next grab. Red lights are just guidelines anyway, you know? They're just guidelines anyway. So we are now on our way to the next destination, the next market. Hopefully this one is a bit better. Ah, there it is. There's the other market. I mean, it looks almost the same as the other one, just looks bigger. So hopefully this is a bit more interesting and has a bit more in there, because that last one was really bad. Nice. Thank you. Oh shit, yeah, helmet. Yeah, there you go. Thank you so much. So I just stole her helmet because, yeah, forgot I even had that on my head. But I'm walking with a bit of a limp. I hurt my calf. Well, obviously I've broken my ankle, obviously. But having a big day on Tuesday, I went to rehab, then had to walk from the truck to get to the car, and walked around all night, then come out, and next thing you know, the next day I woke up and I can barely even move my leg. So that's not ideal. I'm gonna have to get grabs around everywhere because I am actually in quite a lot of pain. So that'll have to do. But here we are near Chao Ben Tan Market. And here we are in the main part of the city, I think. I don't really know where we are, I'm not gonna lie. Pointless line for the camera, I don't know where the fuck I am, and it like, right, let's go in here and let's not die in the process, and let's go have a little explore around. But these glasses haven't got no cameras on it though. That's a bit more like it. Extremely touristy though. Heck of a lot of tourists.
Ok mẹ tới đây đỡ đầu sự thật đây cho dễ. Hai madam, cái này bà hỏi bữa nó ép gì? Stop.
Taylor in 24 hours, that's pretty cool. Make suits in one day. Oh, and this is like one of the cheapest places in the world to get a suit made, so it's dangerous that. That's what I need, a fucking walking stick. More bags and wallets. I mean, they're quite good fakes to be fair. They actually look quite good. As far as fakes go. So, that is us heading out of the market again now. I just got myself a pair of shorts. I already did some haggling with her. And then I was like, no, I wasn't too sure. I left and I was like, to be honest, I actually do really want them shorts. They were just a green pair of North Face shorts. They're just like the ones I used to travel with years ago, and they're really comfy, really good. I may have got them from Vietnam, I can't actually remember. But yeah, so anyway, now let's go find somewhere to quickly get a drink and chill for a minute, get some Wi-Fi, and then work out where we're going next. So we're now across the street. I'm trying to find myself a little cafe. There's got to be a little cafe around here somewhere, I'm sure. They love a little cafe and bakery and that sort of thing around here, so hopefully they got a little something. I'm not hungry, but it looks like quite a nice little cafe. Might stop here, get a drink quickly, and go from there. Amazing. Amazing, thank you. Perfect, right. let's get ourselves working out where we're going to go next. We'll get a grab booked from here and then we'll go on to the next. Okay, so we're in the main square now. We've got Saigon Centre there. Down there's the casino, and you've got a few sky bars, the Caravel Hotel, all around there. We've got El Gaucho's across the road, which is a top Argentinian steakhouse that's in Thailand as well, which is really good, damn good. So we're going to head into the Saigon Centre Mall now, have a little look around, and then we'll go from there. Let's go. So here's the entrance for Saigon Centre. Let's go have a little look around. It's quite a big mall, there's quite a lot in it. I'm going to cut through there, have a little look around, and then get out of here. I'm not really looking to go too much shopping, but it's quite cool to have a look at anyway. Big Dior section down there, which is cool. Rather big mall as well, and they've got so many of these malls here as well. This is the thing, they have so many of them as well. This is one of the small ones. Here we are on the bottom floor now. You can see the hole up there, down by the Dior a bit. Whole massive mall here as well. Very, very cool. So I'm going to head back out this way, down towards this little bit here. And it looks so nice. You've got like a Fendi shop, Chanel shop, Louis Vuitton shop down there. This is obviously the rather nice bit. You've got Hilton, Sheraton, the Caravel there. This is obviously a more exclusive, nice area around here. In fact, it looks really, really, really damn nice, which is awesome. So we're going to walk down through here now and then get our taxi from down here instead. But yeah, very cool, well nice down here, and very well looked after and very well kept. But obviously it makes sense with the nice hotels around here. So let's go. Thank you. Helmet on, safety first and that, especially in this fucking city. Right. So there's the building I'm staying in. Right, there we go, thank you. Right, we're going to quickly bop into 7, get a drink, and then we are back to the room. Perfect place to stop. These are the best. Right, there we go. Let's head up to the room now and call that a successful little trip. Okay, there we go. We are back in the apartment now. Oh, that was a long walk. My ankle's dead, but that was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll start it where we... Oh, God, got some crazy looking hair there, isn't it? Lovely. Well, we'll finish it where we started, in front of the mirror. So thank you very much, guys, for watching that, if you made it all the way to the end. These Ray-Ban Meta glasses are cool as shit. So hopefully it works out to a cool video. I'm not sure if it will or not. It may or may not. But either way, check out the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest of it. Enjoy. Let's go.